Welcome to Gaming Show, and here's our top 20 anticipated games coming this 2023. Along with games that still doesn't have its release date will be also included on our list. And this video will be just game trailers and no voiceover except for this intro. Enjoy!
You see, we are all connected through the holy body. When you need only accept the sacred gift. Christ! Like she did.
Temperance, child.
I've taken the liberty of preparing some entertainment for you. The entertainment. Without further ado, the gallant knight protects the princess fair.
I'll make it cheap for you.
Move!
It's always like this with you.
How about you open fire instead of your mouth? Long time no see.
Major Krauser?
Why? You can't save her. You can't save anyone.
What's gonna happen to me?
We gotta keep moving forward. We will beat this. Together.
Thanks.
Then come, Sancho Panza. Let us rescue the Princess Dulcinea.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Sorry, bad traffic.
This is kind of fun.
Ahead!
You're kidding.
Yes, the time has come.
Like I told you. I'm gonna get you home safe.
Ready to die, rookie. Exalt all, Leon! And let it be so!
This time, it has to be different.
Well now, time to cause some mayhem!
Good. Not good enough. We can but learn. And the greatest teacher is out there. Now go. Death to Kronos.
Death to Kronos.
This is an opportunity for you to make a better future for us all. The least I can do is light your way down.
About ready to give in? No, I was born for this.
You trifle with powers far beyond your comprehension, witch.
Okay, if I call you witch like that?
Vengeance for your family awaits you.
He is no mere titan. He is time itself, and time cannot be stopped.
Wait for me, Father. I'll be there soon.
story with hopes and expectations, looking for an answer. Sometimes it would be better to live with that hope, without ever finding the story. This is not the story you want it to be. This story will eat you alive. This story is a monster. And monsters wear many faces.
Let that yawn out. There's no pretending. I will hold you and protect you. So let love warm you till the morning. I'll stay with you by your side. Close your tired eyes and I'll wait. And soon I'll see your smile in a dream. Baby, don't worry. It's okay. I'll always be with you. Don't worry. It's okay.
No one should have to suffer such loss. You know, I meant it when I said I understand how you feel. But if you hold on to the sadness, it'll weigh you down like an anchor.
Come meet my crew, Sam. It's time for you to hit the road and start a new journey.
It wasn't the UCA that made the final decision. It was APAC, a private corporation.
So let love warm you till the morning.
Well?
as long as I can remember, I have looked for an equal. One who could push me. One who could surprise me. One who could even beat me. Yet all I found is disappointment. Will one of you finally give me what I desire? Yes, we will.
PlayStation.
When you go looking for strength, it's not like a game. This journey doesn't have a real ending. Okay then, hope you're ready to begin. If you want to start off on the right foot in this city, hit the streets.
Yeah, hey there, I do this. Never fear losing. And when I get up in the game, you're up here improving. A real problem, but I solve them all face proof. And if you think I'm going forward, then you talking fool. Yeah, y'all wanna win, let me spin, boy. Or done society, I'm super fly like I'm hanging off the rim, boy. I've been winning for my kinfolk, and I put on for my city from the intro. Fight! From the ground up, training getting wound up, channeling your inner self and moving up and down, crossing over, passing round, I'm pulling time the clock and keep score. Years I never thought it crossed before. When I get tired on my knees, I got it digging it deep. I feel like I'm on the block, it really has got me. Since I went the way, no goodbyes, if you just did again. I'm out here scheming, riding around in a dreaming. Once I get the feeling, the top player is here.
Let me have some fun.
Ready? Then show me.
This will be a good fight.
If you wanna come and stand up to me, pull up on me now. If you wanna challenge to me, what you wanna call me now? I'm on the road to the top and I'm not looking back. I'm on the road to the top and I'm not looking back.
This is our destiny.
My secret arts should Street Fighter 6. Rise, my servants. Sweep over Hyrule. Eliminate this kingdom and her allies. Leave no survivors.
You'll be able to stop him. Please, lend him your power.
What do you think is out there? At the end of the Sky Realm, I mean. A wall, maybe? Hey, can I ask you something? Getting closer to our goal and everything. I was thinking, wouldn't it be wonderful if our adventures never ended?
Hold it. You guys see that ship?
The Church of Avia grows bolder by the day. I cannot sit idly by and allow such deeds to go unpunished.
Utopia? Wait, you just said Astarosia, but that's the same place we're headed.
Ah, truly? Our goals eclipse one another. His name is Id, one of Avia's top 3. Said to be the Skydom's strongest. Why are you here?
This has nothing to do with you.
Wow, I can't imagine captaining a crew at your age. I'm not exactly a slouch myself.
Make it worth my while, Skyfarers.
Captain! I'll clear a path. Stay close. Upheld by fangs of gleaming ice! Seal their fates.
Cue the action music! Let our blades do the talking. Ready!
One stroke. Dream. Give in.
Go time! No eye contracting!
They can run, but they can't fly from the Grand Cipher. Not while I'm helmsman.
We promised to meet up with Fix-It Dude.
You think you can save Lyria? What a fool.
Come, the stars await, and we mustn't keep them.
Lilith, enough is enough.
It has been 1,500 years since the fall of our forebears. And Valisthea has been slowly dying. Ever since.
How much further now?
But we're in the middle of the Deadlands.
The blight sucked this place dry. Meaning no trees, no birds, and no magic.
Darkness spreads as day gives way to twilight. The Mother's flame now all but a flicker.
We cannot live without the blessing of the crystals. And the crystals work their magic through us. You have been blessed, Joshua.
But who shall claim their fading light? The Grand Duchy of Rosaria, bastion of tradition.
At the very least, we must secure Drake's breath.
The Holy Empire of Sanbreque, where ambition is divine.
The Imperial banner shall fly over every city in Storm. All shall bow before their emperor.
The Dhalmekian Republic, whose fortunes shift with the desert sands.
And what of our wise rulers? Goaded into war without any thought as to what chaos it might reap.
The Iron Kingdom, forged in faith and fear.
Their souls were sullied with the stain of ether. I merely cleansed them of their corruption.
Or the Kingdom of Waloed, indomitable in its isolation.
The dark swallows more of the realm with each passing day. And as the fringes fade, the people flock to the mother crystals.
From a single spark, will the land ignite? In the year 860, the Imperial army will march upon Rosaria. And from the slaughter shall a new shadow rise. To fall upon the dominants, painting their destinies black as night.
Our ability to summon beasts of great might should command respect, but instead has left us outcasts.
And so I became their puppet. What makes them think they have the right to use us? To leave us to die when our bodies are spent?
I'll crush him! Flay him!
Very well. Come then. Show us the strength of your will.
Rise, ye crownless kings. A reckoning is upon you. A war of the icons.
Peggy 18.
Basim Ebne Ishaq, are you ready to give up who you once thought you were?
I am.
Ready to sacrifice everything you held close?
I am.
Are you ready to leave your life behind and walk the path of shadows?
I am.
Then, out of the dark, you will come into the light. dark. Never forget the tenets you have sworn to uphold. Stay your blade from the flesh of the innocent. Hide in plain sight. Never compromise the Brotherhood. From this day forward, you are a hidden one.
لست إلا نقرة.
Peggy 16.
俺は負けたのか。
おいで。ジン。
さあ全人類よ、世界を闘争で満たせ。頼むぞ、風間陣。お前を殺し全てを終わらせる。俺の血を引いていながらこの程度か。
風間、俺はまた守れないのか。
もろもろの我がこと罪汚れ清めましょう。
When I think of the Justice League, I think of Wonder Woman, Superman, Green Lantern. You don't want to mess with that lot. But you, Barry, you're just the team mascot, aren't you, mate? The loser of the league, folks. The fastest man alive. It's the Flacker.
Flash is alive, and he's playing for Team Brainiac.
I gave you orders. Kill the Flash, or I'll kill you myself.
Cool, cool. Coming out swinging!
Nothing can stop me!
Punching him! I'm a speed demon!
Did you get him? Really? Why don't you just mail me the bullet? I'm the eye in the sky. Taking point for you, Shark.
Pulverize!
Who else needs a bashing?
Oh, yeah.
I'll show you. Come on then, you prick! Really thought Flasher had us that time.
Din honon exousia. Ancora din exousia.
May we fight true in his holy name. Blessed be the light.
I have returned to hell for you.
The Order is gone. I was betrayed by the one I trusted most. I will not be imprisoned again.
I hear you've been busy making yourself the Empire's most wanted.
Jedi. Remind our friend here why his kind are supposed to be dead.
Here we go.
After all we've done, the Empire is only everyone stronger.
Thanks, Bode. Part of the job, Gustus.
The Jedi is a threat.
Not now that we have this.
As long as we fight. Hope survives.
Could she really be here, waiting for me? Mary died of that damn disease 3 years ago.
In my restless dreams, I see that town. Silent Hill.
I know what you are. I know why I needed you. But it's all over now. I don't need you anymore. I'm ready.
Peggy 16.
An unforgettable tale of friendship, family, and farming. Story of Seasons, A Wonderful Life. Welcome to Forgotten Valley, a tranquil community far from the city. This is your new start. A fertile land to grow crops and care for animals. A vibrant valley with mystical woodland, ancient ruins, and abundant gifts from nature. A community of friendly faces to help you find your feet. Life is about the people you meet, that you fall in love with, that you start a family with. It's full of happy moments, and some sad ones too. Guide your child as they forge their own path. Spend time with family. Grow together. Say farewells. Make memories that last a lifetime. Welcome back to a beloved farming classic. Story of Seasons. A Wonderful Life.
Marvelous!
What we've done, that's set in stone. The past is forever. But the future, even if it has been written, can be changed. So focus on the future, not the past.
He wants to finish what he started. He wants to reclaim his birthright and rule over the planet with Jenova at his side. I saw you lying there. I figured it was too late.
Wait, what are you implying? That I died? That I'm some kind of imposter?
You were here with me 5 years ago. Where are you? What happened to you?
I'm trying so hard to find you.
Sorry. Feel like I failed you.